Hello, hello. Welcome to the broadcast or whatever you want to call it. So, happy New Year, happy Friday, happy. Hold on, let me move the thing. There. Hello, this is me. Changes were made. We're gonna talk about that later. But yeah. So I'm Venerak. If you remember me, I'm the guy in the TV. I am the TV. I'm really excited to stream again after many weeks. How many weeks actually? So I last one was the 20th. So it's been 4 weeks, a whole month without me, without streaming, without actually working about me. Yeah, without actually working in a stream. So let's begin today's thing, or we're doing something. Okay, so let's move me to here and move this there. Okay. So, like I said, Happy New Year or Happy New Joel. I think that's the title of the stream. Anyway, so what happened during this break? Um, first thing, the day after the last stream, I went to the Jolly Jamboree, right? For the kids, as they say. It's was a Minecraft server organized by Jake and Bad Cop for the kids for the what's it called again? It's the Gamers Outreach Foundation, and it was a really great experience. Again, Jake and Bad Cop, thank you for the invitation. It was so much fun. So after that, I went and saw some family for the holidays. Made some parties with some friends, and other than that, I worked on changing some things about the broadcast. Yeah, as you may see, some things have changed. Also, next week, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday, I have a game jam. Um, which I'm gonna give you guys updates on probably the Podsy Pod Zone. Um, and yeah, so me since I did the game jam ends like in the morning Friday, and I won't have had like a lot of sleep. Maybe there will be no stream next Friday, but I will try to muster some energy to do it. Also, I'm a bit. Maybe we'll get back on that, but I am not confident in my team with which I'm going to the game jam. So we'll see what happens, right? So this is the big thing, right? What what did I change? What maybe some things you see, maybe some things you don't see that have changed. So let's go through it. So first thing, which actually happened last stream at near the end, the movement of me, the movement of me is is fluid. We have augmented a smoothness in movement, which is pretty cool. I find it really cool. Um, Now also my mouth when I spoke it. Let's actually go to this zone. Um, okay. It's here. So we had right and left, which are those two, up and now we if you see that the equalizer for my mouth goes up and down, which is what was easy to do, but it's just something a little like this that changed. Also, ooh, yeah. Um, right. Right now I'm using what's called a spout to send the content of the stream. Oh, that's something to Godot, as you can see right now. And so this means that everything you see is now in Godot. All right. So it's kind of a loop. OBS like sends video to Godot through the spout, and then OBS again registers the Godot thing, and this is the only thing you see. So this is pretty cool. So yeah, using spout. Um, Also, uh, yes. I remade the taskbar. So now it should display my time, but in smaller. CPU, GPU, and RAM. So I kind of don't see what the numbers are right now. But basically, CPU and GPU don't seem to be accurate. I don't know why, but they are not. And also, we still have Last Follow, and now I moved the current song to the bar too, so it's all packed in this little thing. Um, yes. Another thing I changed that I think is pretty neat, easy but neat. So as you can see, we don't have water for the Joels at the bottom of the screen anymore. And you're like, oh no, did you remove Joels from the stream? What happened? You're the Joel guy. Well, if we say Joel, let's say Joel. The water goes back up for the Joel, and it's gonna disappear after 30 seconds, right? So why did I do this? Why is water gone sometime in there sometimes? Um, I just find it like kind of ugly, right? So before we had the blue bar with water, and I just looked at it like as if I wasn't the one who made it, and I was like, I enter the stream and I go, what the hell is the blue bar? Two blue bars at the end, bottom of the screen. What is that? And then it's yeah, it's just that. It's weird if you don't know what it is, and it takes like visual space. So now it retracts, like you just saw earlier. And so yeah, that's another thing I did. Joel retract. Um, and finally, yes, yes. Chat is now in Godot. Chat is in Godot. Crazy, huh? Well, maybe you don't know this because I tried to do this exact same thing as before, which was kind of a challenge um for the message kind of. So let's go see. um Twitch chat, let's look at chat message, right? So this is what it looks like by default, right? So in when you receive message in with the WebSocket, right? You receive the message is broke apart in pieces, right? So you have text and emojis, and so um, what was I gonna say? Um, yeah. So in Godot, I can't just. I won't. I didn't want to save emojis and stuff in my file system, right? And go like fetch them when I need it. So what I did, uh, I think I that's a lot. What functions to, yeah, this is gone. Okay, so when I create the message, I pass variables, which is username, name, color, message, lower points. As you see, it's the green thing, the profile picture URL, and the type of message, right? And then I go through the profile picture URL and each of the part of the message and search for emojis and add them to an image load queue, right? So what this does is, oh, also we got glow. For when there's glow, it's gonna do it. So what it does is, okay, so here I change the color of the border, the glowing border, uh, depending on what type of message it is. Um, okay, so this is the cool thing. So I have on request completed and on load finished. So what happens is in ready, I start doing requests, and when it's done, I load another request, and each request is basically an image. So before in HTML JavaScript, I just put image tag and put your URL into it, So now I can't do that in Godot, right? I can't even do that with BB code. I can't even put the URL in the image tag on the BB code. I have to fetch. It's a whole mess. That's what you're gonna see. So I fetch each image and I add them. I create an image texture with them and I put them in a hash, right? A dictionary. And the name, like the key, is the URL. And so when the queue size is 0, I load finished. I execute load finished. So this calls a bunch of functions. I go set the name of the label. Oh, is that it? Yeah. Okay. So this is another weird thing. A weird thing. So if I add an image to a BB code, wait. So first, okay, the way you add an image to your BB code normally is with the image tag, and you put the path to the image in your file system, right? But I don't have it in my file system, so the only way I had is add image, the function add image. Um, so that's what I did. But then if I after that I append text with the tag center, it would it would put it would just what's the name? It just create a new line basically. So I'd have the image top left, and then the text one line down at the center, which is done. That's what I want. And then I tried, oh, let's put the center before and after the text and the image, right? And it didn't work. And I searched for like a good 2 hours, right? And turns out I just had to put the tag center at the beginning, but never close it, and then it works. It just works. So if you ever have this problem, just put center uh, and don't close it. So yeah, so I set the name label, the message label. So this is pretty simple. I go to each, I add image or text, pretty simple. And then I update the size of the panel behind to the text, right? And finally, I switch the rendered variable to true, which what it does is in Twitch chat. This was a mess too. Um, yeah. So basically, it says to chat the chat that it's ready to be added to the pile, right? Other than that, yeah. Get message hi make sound. So this is basically just making a sound when. So I have an animation player which moves the message from here to here, and then at the end of the no, at the start of the animation, I play the sound according to the message type. Pretty simple. Twitch chat, right? So this was a thing too. So when I receive a message, if it's to chat, blah blah blah, an instant shit, pass the variable to the guy, give it the position far right, top right, and then I add the message to loading messages, and then I add it to the scene. So now in physics process, I don't save more than 29 messages because it would be done. It just keep on filling my RAM until the end of the stream. But yeah, anyway. So, let's start with this one. So, if there was a message to load, and the messages are not scrolling, right? Like, yeah. And it's the first message in the list is rendered. Um, because I don't want to, let's say the first message is test and the second message is a bunch. No, we should do the other side. So the first message is a bunch of emojis, and then the second message is just text. It would render the second one faster, and then it would appear as if it was sent before, the one with just text. So I didn't want that. So just check just the first if it's rendered. So if it's rendered, I get its height. I don't know why. Anyway, I play. So since it's rendered, I play the animation to enter the scene. It's gonna play the sound, and if it's the first message, I just finish there. I add it to the list of messages, and I remove it from the loading. Right? Pretty simple. But if it's not the first message, I have to move all of the other ones down. So, um, what did I do? It's no, it's here. Yeah. So I'm gonna enter scrolling through, so it's not gonna go through this if anymore, and I define a scrolling amount, which is yeah. So the loaded message height plus the separation between each message. So then I'm just gonna go through this thing. So if it's scrolling, right, which we're scrolling, um, or so here I basically lerp each message through to the position that I want, and if it's approximately equal, so near the wished position, we update the last position of the message, we stop the scrolling, and we just remove it from loading messages, and there we go. So that's the chat, but look if you look at it right now, it doesn't seem like much, but it was I spent like a bunch of hours on this. It was fun, but yeah, still a lot of hours went into that. Um, and finally, um, the thing. Right, so let's talk maybe about what did I change? I already forgot. Um, yeah, let's talk about Spout, and then we're gonna talk a bit about the taskbar because there's something wrong with the GPU and CPU. So taskbar. What did I say? No, Spout first, right? So what is this? Woo, that's fucked. Okay, so Spout is crazy. I just wanted to talk about it in Spout with Godot is crazy. First, why do I have to build it? It's why can't you just give me it like compiled? Anyway, it's pretty easy. You just with the OBS plugin, just give so you say this window I want to send it with this sender name. So in this case it's OBS Windows. And then in Godot you just have to create a texture rect and give it a spout texture, and that's it. And then if you like that, you just can't see it in the thing. It just works. Wait, what happens if I go behind? Oh, this is fucked. Oh my god, look at this. It's like a spring. It's so weird. Wait, what the hell? Okay. Ooh, okay. I'm having fun. Okay, so taskbar, right? Let's see the code for that. Um, again, it's pretty simple. So the weird thing with Godot is that you can't get the for the CPU, GPU, and RAM. You can't get the amount from Godot functions. You can only get actually you can get them, but can get the usage of the current Godot application you're using. So let's say that the Godot stream thing uses 20 like 4 gigs of RAM, but your PC uses 16. Well, then it's just gonna say 4, not not the whole thing used, but actually, yeah. So you get it, you get it. So this is I update last follow, I update song here. Yeah. So I have a timer that is each 10 seconds, I think. I no, this is each minute. Yeah, this is I update the time string. And I have another timer that this one that starts a thread because those get CPU, GPU, and RAM usage. So I had to do this through the command line, right? So it just stops if I don't use a thread. So I'm using a thread to update this. So I execute command, which it's weird how you do it in Godot, but anyway. So this thing doesn't seem to work. Load percentage. Like right now, what does it say? It says 1%. What the hell is 1%? I'm streaming, goddammit. Let's go actually look. It says I'm at 32%. This guy is hallucinating. Godot, the thing Godot is not even taking like 1% of CPU. Just wait. No, it's not even taking one gigs of RAM. And GPU it's taking 0%. What's going on? Oh, that's the one. I was watching the wrong one. It's taking 10% of CPU, 230 megabits, and 23% of graphics card. It's half of what I saw the other time on Prod's thing. I don't know. Anyway, it's pretty weird. So this doesn't work. Probably gonna stay like that. I don't care. Maybe I'm just gonna remove it. So last final thing I changed. Maybe you didn't notice because it works half the time. So right now I'm not gonna touch to the OBS and windows are gonna move. Look at this. Oh, that's cool. And then oh, focus changes. No way. What is this sorcery? It's the jankiest sorcery ever. So let's close this one. We don't need this one. We don't need this one. And then, uh, hello? Okay, it's not this one. There we go. Okay. But before, no, actually, let's look at it. But we're gonna go back to it. So, window manager, right? This is a plain copy of Prod's thing. So Prod has its their window move by themselves. So this is that. Um, so basically, um, I use Python just because it works. Um, so what happens is I'm getting each element in OBS from the scene spout, which is where I put all my windows, right? Um, and I add them to an array, right? So each have the name in OBS, the ID in OBS, the name of the application, like that the application displays, the executable of the window. This is the ID in the like the Windows display server, and this is the position of the window. So then I just, while true, each 0.1 seconds, I update the position of the windows, and then I update the focused window. Pretty simple. From there, this is pretty simple. This is where we get into it. Let's begin with focus. Pretty easy, right? So I get the foreground window. I check through each of the OBS windows, and if the focused window is within the the windows I'm managing, I just put it at the top of the OBS scene, right? Pretty simple logic, even. This works well, right? Um, but the thing is this: it's the HWND. That's so. Let's see what I'm doing here in update windows. So for each of the window, right, I'm tracking in the OBS scene. I get what do I do? Yes. Okay. So I get input setting. Yeah. So I get the um. It's it's basically the executable and the name of the window in a string, in one string. Then I split them, and then I executable and name. So name changed is true. So the name is changed if the name of the window isn't equal to the name it is right now. So let's say I change the source for the element called the node. It's gonna do name change true. And if yeah, so the name in the executable has okay, maybe that's what's going on. Name change true if window. I should maybe that's the part that's making it not work. Anyway, so or else it's false. So then I set the name and the executable. So if the name change, I find the HWND of the new window, right? Or else I just look at the HWN. No, so it wait. So okay, so this is not wrong. Anyway, or maybe it is. No, it's not. Okay, yeah. So I'm talking to myself. Um, get window rect. So yeah, I get the HWND, or else I get it from. Wait, what? Yeah, okay, no. Okay, now I'm lost. Yeah, okay, so if it's change, I get the new HUND, or else I get it from the dictionary. And then, okay, then I get the position of the window, and if it doesn't work, I put the HUND to none. Maybe that's the part that's not working. I'll have to try it. maybe bug. Okay. Then okay, with video window handle. Wait, am I done? Wait, so, okay. If it changed, window handle. Okay, no, I'm still good. Okay. And then I get new position, yeah. So if the position isn't the last position, um, I update the position in the dictionary and then I call, maybe this is not working. Scene spout, scene item ID, OBS window, OBS item ID, and then I update the position. Okay, Copilot not even able to spell to do, right? So yeah, that's the thing. So as you can see, the thing right now is each window work, right? I move this thing, it works. I move this thing, it works. I move what do I move? This guy, it works. But then I move this guy and it doesn't work. And same thing for the other one. This one. Anyway, but both code that they did, both VS Code don't work. It just doesn't work. So, um, what's happening right now? So we talked about the game jam a bit. We talked about everything I remade. So now, let's remove the Joel recap. Um, I have to decide on if I remove it completely or if I should update the to do. Okay, get, so maybe I just removed, not this one. See, maybe, yeah, so maybe, so if I remove, okay, or I remove this one, which just you can't access the recap page anymore at all. But I think I'm just gonna go to home and I'm gonna remove D. Where is it? Joel's user. Okay, links, recap. Just remove it here. And that's it. But yeah, we're gonna update the README, I guess, because we added APIs, right, last time, streams and stats. Let's look at this. Yeah, okay. Da, da, da. Okay, so each is separated by HR. So what do I get? Get um, streams. Yeah. So get streams. What does it give me concretely? Um. So channel name, chess, stream channel. Okay. So get the stats for each stream followed uh, tracked by Joel. URL. It's HTTPS server Venerac dev API goals, and then it's streams. Yeah. Okay. Now it's input query. Let's take that. So, we have limit, weigh, and sort. Mode. Okay. So, limit, limit. It's an int. Not required. And has to be a positive int. Then it's sort. It's a string. It's not required. And so it is. Let's see. EASC. There we go. And then last one is, we said weigh. It's a string. It's not required. And it has to be count or date. There we go. Output. Okay, output. Array of field type description. We give, what do we give? Child name. Okay, so name. It's the string, and it's name of the channel. Then I get the count. It's an int number of Joel said. And last one is stream date. And it's a date. Date of the stream. Okay, and finally, example. So this thing, or this thing with the limit 5, and that's how you write it, right? So limit sorts and weigh count. Yep, like that. Okay, and that's it. Next one and last one, HR again. This one is what is it? This is stats. Yes, this is stats for 1%. Huh. I don't want to do it. So I'm thinking I'm just gonna give them this thing. Okay, so get stats of a person. Get the stats the Joel stats for a person. URL, it's HTTPS server dot dev guy Joel's, and then it's stats and name. I think that's how I wrote it before. Yeah. Um. Like that. Okay. Input is a query. No, is it? No, it's URL. Mm, name, yes. Name of a registered user. Yeah. That's it, I think. Yeah. Okay, input and then put. It's I'm just gonna give them this. I don't really care. Oh fuck yeah. This thing. Name. It's an int. Joel's this year. Name. String count. And date. It's a date. Top streamer. It's a string. And then it's an int. There we go. And finally, example. Uh, here we go. What does it look like? Get streams. Yeah. Yep. Okay, there we go. We can push that. Recap. Not available. And doc or new API. There we go. Okay, so now we are at the point of fixing stuff. Yeah. So after that, I wanted to yeah, this is done. Refactor WebSocket code. We could still do that after. I don't know if I will be able to fix this. So let's print here. Window not found. Right? So let's try this. Okay, so window is not found, right? This is obvious. But okay. So window is not found, but print also the name of the OBS window. Thank you. Yes. Face tracker. Go ahead. Face tracker. There it is. Oh, right. It's not finding it. Uh, there it is. No? But it's not finding... Okay. So let's stop this and let's not put the HW and the... Hmm. So if it's not found, and I put it to none, it's not gonna... So let's just do something here where I'm just gonna change the name and executable to none. Okay, let's try this. Okay, so, ooh, wait, is it? Okay, this is working. This is not working. Okay, this one is working. This one is working. Okay, so for this one. Okay, so if I go code, it's now Brave, and it's window now. It's still not working. I don't know why. Okay. I don't know why it. Okay, so it just doesn't work with the code, the Visual Code windows. Uh, print. Yeah, the name. So this is okay. Now it's just Window Manager. Yeah. So it's just showing. So it can't get the window handle. Hmm. Hmm. It just can't. It seems like it just can't. Um. Okay. Um. Hmm. If I print window handle, print window handle Q, and I do this. Okay, so window handle is 0. That's the problem. So we're not finding the window with the name. Hmm. Okay, now I'm okay. So so this is OBS Windows. Okay. Okay. Duh. Okay, so this is not the bug, right? Um, it's somewhere. It's somewhere, but it's not there. I can remove this guy. Okay, so window handle is 0. Okay. Print window name has changed. What the hell? What's printing this? Okay. Okay. This says, okay, so the it's changing every time. So this means that it's changing every time. So this, if it's not the same name and the same executable, this means that each time at each it changes the name. Oh, it's because of this. Exit, just exit here. I want to know here. I want to know print name executable and then print yes this. Okay, so none on the second one. Yeah, that makes sense. And it switches and then but okay. So it finds the window. Okay. So let's just hmm. Okay. Give me 2 seconds. I'm just gonna streams stream tools, other uh new text document and it's test window I yes. Okay. Then here we go. Okay, so now you see it. Just import all of this. I don't care. So, find window. Print find window. Print find window name, and then it's window manager name. This window name. So let's say oh god, okay. How is it? Okay, so now I'm searching for the name in the terminal, right? Um, so it's this thing. There we go. So now I do Python tree. I do test. Why 0? Okay. The thing is there. No, it's not. I see. Okay, so let's execute the old one. Right, this thing. We're gonna remove the print, print. This guy. Okay, there we go. This is moving. This is still not moving. Okay. Why? Um, let's open a new one. Document, stream, stream, other, Python, read, test, 0. Why is 0? Okay. Because it doesn't exist, a mess. Okay. Code. Why? Why? Why is it not working? But only for the freaking... Why only for the freaking... this? Okay, let's try this one. Test window. All of this. Why 0? It's there. It's there. Okay, if I... If I do, let's say, like, what's the name? Okay, um, let's go. Chrome. Let me. Okay, that. Shit, you can see it. Raw generator. Okay. Then we go inputs. Get input settings. We go. Let's say. No, get input list property. Yes. Okay. Terminal, let's say, and just window. There we go. This is the thing. Window manager. Yeah. Okay. So let's say we go to this guy. Command prompt, this thing. Okay, now it's just not getting it. Uh, this guy. Okay, this is the thing. Bingham. 0. Really. Command prompt. It's not there. Read me this thing. I'm sick of this already. Okay. I just finished it the other day and I was like, oh, it just worked. Okay, this works. Okay. Where's Bingingengo? Then why does it not work? Plan my attack. Why? Why? Okay, cut server is not even that anymore. It's oh, fucking hell. It's this thing. Right? It's there. I just don't get it. The name of the thing is there. Right? It's the same thing. Why? It does not work. It just doesn't. Why? Oh, bingo. We were Bingengo. Bingo. I don't get it. I just don't. Okay. Right. It's there, okay? It's this name. I go to code here. I switch to test window and it doesn't get it. Right? It doesn't get it. It's the number is there. I just don't. I just, it's why? The name is the right one, right? It's the name of the thing. Right? It's there. Window Manager. There we go. Like it's I don't get it. Because this is the exact name, right? I'm Window Manager. .py stream WSL. It's there. You can see it bottom left. It's Visual Studio Code. If I just do Visual Studio Code, does he get something? No, right? Okay, I just don't get it. README server, this thing, it's the same name, but sometimes you get it and sometimes you don't. Sorrow, a haunt in your dream. Oh no, knows that you're free. Okay, so, element name. Call. I get the source, which is a get input setting window. Right? I get the executable and the name of the source in OBS. If this changed from the OBS thing, the name is changed, right? Which is knows that you're free. Roll that hold in your dream. Why is it so hard? Go. Okay. And yeah, so a change of the name or the executable is not the same. All right. Then I change the name and the executable. This thing. Okay, so if I do that, ooh, there we go. Okay, that's moving. And this is still not moving. It's incredible. Incredible. It's I don't know how it works. So this is code, and if I say it's brave, why just go to change? Alright, this thing works, and then this thing works, but not this. The code just doesn't work. Fucking doesn't work. Just won't, right? Why? We don't know. It just doesn't work. Right? Just doesn't work. This is the name right now of the thing. I put it there. I go there. And it's 0. Why is it 0? It doesn't make sense. Just doesn't. Oh, no. Oh, why? So wait, what do I use? Get inputs. What do I use? Find window. This is Win32 GUI. Win32 GUI, please help me. No, not this thing. Docs. Give me the docs. Okay, and now can we get all in Windows? So Win32 GUI dot in Windows thing. No attribute in Windows. Excuse me. Takes 2 arguments. Great, 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 great. Can't you just none, none? Thank you. How it's def. There we go. Like this. Like this. Are you happy now? No, not defined. Are you fucking kidding me? This maybe. There we go. That's doesn't help me. There's a thing to get name. Find the drag the text. Get focus. Get window rect. Yeah, not really. Oh, oh, Get to window text. Thank you. Thank you, sir. There we go. That's the things. Damn, there's so much things. Okay. Post. It's there. Okay. Is this what I think it is? Okay. If that's it, I'm crying. Damn right, I'm crying. Okay. Name. Okay. If name contains, replace it with Hue Copilot. I just don't want to think about it anymore. Okay. Oh. And now I'm free. Oh, maybe I'm not. Going to heaven. Okay, code. This is tracked. This is tracked. Terminal is tracked. This guy is not tracked. Okay, web. Okay, now this is tracked. And terminal tracked. We said, and then go that tracked. Okay, go that there. Okay, terminal there. And this works. Works. And then this one. Oh, we did it. We did it. Ugh. Heaven's door. Knocking on heaven's door. Knocking on heaven's door. Knocking on heaven's door. So this is probably hexadigital. Hexadecimal, I mean. Hexadecimal. And it's... Okay, so this... The OBS returns me this thing, which is an hexadecimal. And equals to this guy. I'm dead. I just can't. Going to heaven. Okay, we're done with this. Right. This we can remove this. Just delete it. There we go. Okay, now we're back on track, guys. Let's just get rid of all the dog shit we got. Okay, this we're gonna work on it. Okay. Okay. If I had known this, it fucked me. Simple to the colon. I was cursed by the colon. L colon Q cursed me. He hexed me. I don't know. something happened. Meteor happened, we could say, even. So, um, I'm gonna take a. We're gonna be right back. I think that's what's. I'm gonna take a sip. I'm gonna drink water, stretch, everything, and so I'll be back in a few minutes. Here we go. Hello, hello. I'm back. Yeah, I'm back. Yes. Okay. Here we are. Okay. Um, so as you may have noticed, we fixed the thing, right? It's working finally. And hey, Venerak, why don't you just capture screen like everybody does? Um, because this is clearly superior. You can't have like some notification Windows notification just happening and you are like, oh no, like that. Exactly like that. This can't happen in this situation. And yeah, that's it. Okay. So um remove jewelry can yeah, okay. No. So we are now remove button remake bottom bar, maybe. Chat inside go that done. I already did that before the stream. Okay. Um. So let's begin by refact. No. So what do you mean by remake bottom bar? It's simply just like right now I changed it so it's a green bar to make it less like a old TV maybe, some kind of, I don't know, at the bottom of the screen, and it's kind of ugly. So if we go a sprite mode, right? Show a sprite and it's a sprite, right? A sprite. Oh, it works. It just works. Okay, if we go open this thing, right? So right now it looks like this. Before it looked like this, right? So it's I think it's 50 pixels by 1080. And so I just made this, but I should make it like better. So if you guys have any idea on how I can make it look pretty or in my style, like TV, maybe you just make it look like a sheet of metal. Maybe. I don't know. Hmm. You know? So if I'll look into that. Maybe if you guys have any idea, please tell me, but I just don't know what to put there. It could be just a black bar, but just totally black. Could be that, but it's too it's too simple. But at the same time, a sheet of metal like pixel art, would it be too plain or just because this was plain? I didn't like it. It's like at this point I should have made it black. Totally black. I don't know. But yeah, please give me advice maybe. So I don't. So we're gonna go to style. So I wanted to let's close all. Thank you. Save. Thank you. Okay. Close that. Close that. Close that. Okay. Close this one. So what's happening right now? What did I wanted to make more or less thereof? Let's close all again. Got okay. This thing. Gestion. So this thing, right? Ugh, it's ugly. So planet. Let's move. We could move just move all of this somewhere else. That's just it. And I won't even try doing this because it's within a scene within a scene. It just doesn't won't work. But yeah, that's the thing. If I so this is all TV animation player maybe. But if I move this to the TV script, now it's gonna change something because I will be able to do export and the type, and I'm just gonna have a bind like this, right? Which is way better. So how do we do this, right? Uh, what is this? Children's quasar find children, right? So if I go here and I change color and I go, no, it works. Oh no, it does. Okay. Oh, that's interesting. So I didn't know I did it like that. Huh. Huh. So I could. Oh God. Okay. So reset. So I'll have to. Okay. Let's actually start with that. Okay, so um this is getting all the children's, and then when I change color, equalizer bar, pen children's. Okay, yeah, okay, I get it. I just find it. Okay. Uh repartir. So I'm just gonna change color. So function change color, uh, new color, and it's a color. Partir. Oh, partir. Okay, equalizer. I just bar all children. It's an array. Called this. So all children that append right that get children, all children that append right now, yeah, okay, left get children, all children that append. Okay, and now it's gonna be right to hello Max Louis. What's up? What's up? So I'm trying to clean the code, right? Hello? I'm Benirac. I'm the TV guy. I feel like I saw your name before. Are you familiar with the green zone? But yeah. Um this is the Goda thing for the stream. Like you see the streamception. Oh, you've hopped in before. Well, welcome back. Um changes were made and now the whole stream setup is inside Godot. As you can see, we see the streamception, as I call it. And so I'm trying to this code which takes care of all the events going on in the stream. I'm trying to like spread it. So I'm spreading. So let's say the code to change the color like I think it's like this, like this, right? So it changes the color. But since I added the bar to the bottom, right? Well, it's I have half my mouth is blue and half is white, and it's because of this, right? So I get all the children and I added to some variable called equalizer bars, and when I change the color, I change it here, right? Which is I mean, it's changed here, so it's kind of a mess. And if I use some kind of signal bus, which is like kind of a singleton, which takes care makes signals available throughout the whole project, right? So when I get message from the WebSocket, I send it to the signal bus, and then every scene in this project has access to this signal. So then I can just say, oh, signal bus emit WebSocket message, right? So in Equalizer, when I receive I'm gonna link the signal to a function, and when a new event is said, I check if it's corresponding to changing the color, and then I change the color directly here instead of in this script, which is getting along, right? I'm spreading as I say. So yeah, I was that's what I was doing. So yeah, I'm getting the children for all the children's musically, and then I just do what did I do here? Yeah, for I in equalizer bar. Okay. This is done too. Look, it should be like that. But anyway. uh, okay. So equalizer bar, yeah. Okay. So for I in and all children. All children I dot color is equal to new color. That's it. Yeah. Okay. And even I could do var all children this thing. Guéris-moi devant ton ne veut pas connaître ce temps-là. Accroché sur l'usage de nos fenêtres, célèbre le garni. Je ne savais de ni, ne payez pas de mine. C'est là qu'on s'est connu, moi qui criais famille, toi qui posais nu. There we go. So now it's instead of doing it each time, it's just gonna do one time, getting all the children's. Now, do I make it so it's in a separate script? So this takes care of just getting the messages from WebSocket, the UDP socket, right? Yeah. This takes care of moving the TV. So maybe another script that takes care of events. And then I go to equalizer. Ah, en oubliant l'hiver, la bohème, la bohème, ça veut dire les jolie, la bohème, la bohème, et nous avions tous du génie. Je vendis ma hiver, devant mon chevalet de passer les nuits blanches, retouchant le dessin. De la même sein, le gars brûlé hanché sur le combattant. On s'assied enfin devant un café crème. So it's a signal bus that connect this thing. This it's a dictionary, and then it's there we go. You okay? It returns void. Okay. Un escalier, atelier, non plus rien ne subsiste dans son nouveau décor. Okay, so now. Okay. Append children equalizer, append children's. Defu. Okay. This is good. We can. No, we'll not stop printing those. Ja, dire du tout. Okay, reset head. Okay. This is gonna be a mess, right? Because it's already a mess. Uh, okay. So if data is to avatar, right? Um, so let's start with that. Then, okay, match data, payload command. No, if I do that, I'm just gonna move everything here. No, not everything. Part of it. Yeah, okay. So, match data, this thing, to each other. Okay. Now, what are all the ones I need here? It's this one, pass. Reset head is one. Pass. Change color is one. Rainbow and off is one. Pass. Okay, no, skeleton, scale default. We can just remove those. It does nothing anymore. Okay, green screen on off. I don't even know why I did that. I mean, now it does something. Yeah, I could green screen. I don't know. Green on off, dumb on off. Now those I don't need here, and Joel sand. It's where's this thing? Water. Them. Yeah. Okay. So those. Okay. I keep it there. Okay. So that's not that much anyway. Okay. So okay. Okay. Rigid body 3D. Okay. Okay. So if I do export, and it's rigid body. What is it? It's a rigid body 3D. Yeah. Okay. I forgot the var. That's why. Rigid body 3D. Right. Can I assign? Yes, I can assign the parent. That's cool. Okay, the head is done. Uh, close this one. Close this one. close this one. Okay. Um, head, 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 green. Day. Okay, so in the TV, I think I need the mesh, right? God day. TV. Okay, I even need the timer, rainbow timer. Damn. Okay. Right eye, left eye, green screen, but okay, animated water. Wait, so for a rainbow, okay, I take care of it and okay. I need no. Okay, done. I need done. Export or done label. It's a label. Then I need export var left eye. It's what is it? It's a mesh instance 2D. What? Export var right high. It's a mesh instance 2D. Okay. Equalizer, be right back. Starting. Okay, I see. It's quite a few things, right? Um, now it's Node 2D. Export var right back. Yeah, it's a Node 2D. Export var starting. It's a Node 2D2. And now we need green. The color rect. Export var. Now we need rainbow timer. It's timer. Export var. Dumb. Timer. Here we go. Okay, dumb label. It's dumb. Left eye is left eye. Right eye is right eye. Mouth is equalizer. Beard back is beard back. Starting is starting. Green is green screen. Rainbow timer is rainbow timer. And dumb timer is dumb timer. Okay. So, yeah, that doesn't change. When reset head. Um, okay. Yeah, okay, so function change face color and then change face color. Just gonna take everything here. Okay, this thing goes here and this is uh, it's a color. Okay, I was definitely not trying. Okay, dumb label. Okay, and this is just um this is just mouth that and then it's equalizer, and I call change color. I just pass this. Okay, and then I do reset, reset. I wonder if I should, yeah, no, I'm gonna keep it here. There we go. Okay, what happens in reset TV? Right, so head rotation, yeah. Right, okay, right, eye. Right eye, scale. Left eye, scale, and left eye, scale. Okay, and then this we can put it there. And like this. Okay, now we're talking. Change color. This is gonna be pretty straightforward. Data. Okay, payload data. Go. So, this is gonna be just change face color. Message this. Okay. Rainbow on off. So there we go. Head rainbow, which is not rainbow, and then rainbow timer start. Yeah. Yeah. So the green screen I made it disable the rainbow because the rainbow contains a green, so you just don't want your TV to become invisible half the time. Just this green, just green. And then last one, but not least, dumb on off. I could do dumb text. It's just dumb now. And then dumb timer. Hello? Dumb? Where's dumb? The sky high. Everything just high. Oh, it's dumb label. There we go. Okay, so now we can remove all of those from here. Boom. And those two. Yeah, I think. Oh, not reset TV. Okay. Uh, hmm. Instead of doing that, we're just gonna cheat a little bit here. It's gonna be, this is TV, and then it's uh, event second, right? Dot reset TV. There we go. And now we can remove reset TV. Okay, had frozen. Yeah, we can keep those. Then water, sponge all right. This is left there. Okay. So rainbow timer, we don't use it. Dumb timer, we don't use it. Dumb, do we use it? Ooh, no, we don't. Why do I have 2 times dumb? This is dumb. So funny, so funny. Okay, if I don't use right eye, I don't use left eye. Equalizer. We can remove this variable and remove this. Green screen. We remove. Be right back. We don't use. Starting. We don't use. This is so clean. Oh. Animator. We don't? Oh no, we use. Okay. And then water we use. Yeah. Okay. Okay. Clients. 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 Okay, we can remove this too. Then done. Done. We can remove it. That's crazy. Oh, okay. Should work now. Okay, event socket. This is good. Okay. Left eye, right eye, be right back. Okay. I think we're good. If I run this. Uh, how do I test this? Oh yeah. So it's color ff. Uh, oh. I thought I would do a flawless. Okay, so what's going on? Invalid set index color. Value of type color. So it's with the hexadecimal value, right? So it's F. So the two first F is red. It's RGB, but so this would be red, right? The yeah, exactly. You got it. I also got I got some stuff. I think I got rainbow, which I'm rainbow, and then you can do this too. It's that's included in package. I don't know if they disable. They should disable by themselves, but I think for the last few times I tried, it didn't disable by itself. I'm pretty sure. Or it lasts a long, long while. So I'm just gonna disable those. There we go. So, what happened? Okay, all children. Yes. Okay, equalizer. Right. Get all children. This and it's color. Is it not color? It copy property file. It should be that. Da, 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 da. Okay, let's go look at. We're debugger right now. So all children size. Oh. Huh. Um, I see. So what I did is I have like all children, right? Which is supposed to be all of those rectangles. But I'm adding the children of right, let's say. So right is this node, and I'm adding, and so it get children gives me an array. So basically did an array of arrays. So now I'm gonna look if I can just join like erase, fill, find, font as insert. No. Map, pick your down, prop, resize, reduce, reverse, shuffle, size. Okay, I think I can just do. I think I can do it pretty simple. Like this. If I'm right, I can just do this. Just add to it. Right? I think. Oh, children. There we go. Okay, so if we try again. Um, there we go. We got it. Okay. If we try, oh, I don't know. If we reset, it works. If we freeze, it doesn't like make it go angry. We do rainbow, it works. Okay. And just to test, if we go zoom and we go back. Okay. So this should work. Maybe okay. This is clean. So now this is cool. Okay. Now we're cleaner in our code. Look at all those things we removed so far. Yeah. Okay. Just move that one over here. Go. Like that. Okay. Circle. Okay. I think hmm, we can export. Can I do that while it's still running? I don't know. I'm gonna ooh, can I do that? Okay, we'll see if it totally crashes. I'm gonna crush the executable which I'm executing right now. It works. I can just do that. Okay, let's restart it. There we go. Okay, hello. Okay. So if we do color and we are artistic. So red and what is it? It's red and I think it is green. Oh, we are yellow piss. Let's go. But it's all yellow piss now. Even the bottom part of my mouth is yellow piss. Cool, huh? Okay. So this is what I wanted to do with this. So we're gonna save all scenes. Now, what do I do? I just looking at. Thank you. No piss anymore. Okay, we updated the thing. Removed Joel recap. Um. We said everything we changed. Game jam next week. Charlie Jamboree, Happy New Year. Okay. Um. Oh, I know. Okay. So we're gonna close this. Godot 4.3. Q. It's crack. Yeah, this one. Okay. There we go. Hello, hello. Okay. So while in the break, okay. I worked a bit on this project, right? Um, it's pretty simple. So it's a strategy game, but it's not for now. It's supposed to be. Um, so it's basically I can move with the arrows, but yeah, okay. So I can move with the arrows, but that's not the way I wanted to do it. So you can see I can select uh, on a grid a block, and so you can see the path my character would take to go to this square. And if I click on a square, this one, it does the path. It just goes along the path. It's pretty cool. I like it. And the different color of square you see is basically the range of the player. So if I go player, right, and I make the max distance go down, you can see the max distance, and I can even go to 0, I think. And now I just can't move, yeah, unless I use the arrows, right? And I can also say, oh, I have 10 of range, which, there we go. I can just move everywhere. Right. So I did that because I wanted to practice before the game jam. The game jam, right? Um so yeah, about the game jam, as I said earlier, I'm kind of worried about my team. Um we are okay. So at the start, we were supposed to be 8 person on my team, right? Me, my friend, then we had a 1 second year, and so two, three, then 4 first year, and one graphic designer from which is in its his first year too. So 8, if I know how to calculate, right? And so my friend couldn't come anymore, so now we're 7. And oh no, actually, yeah, there was another third year like me that was supposed to come, but he like left the school before the end of the semester. So we're now 6. Me, 4 first year, and one graphic designer, which will he will do the basically all the textures by himself. Good luck. And so it's me who has had the mm, video game making class, right? I had a class on Godot. And then we have 4 first year, which have never, like, they started learning about object oriented programming, started learning about it. And they, they're in a competition to create a video game in 40 hours, right? So this is a situation, but it's okay if they So we enrolled. I don't know if that's the word, but it's a word that kind of sound like it would fit. We enrolled for the game jam. Let's see, 3 months ago, 2 months, right? So they had time to practice beforehand and all, and just do tutorial, go to tutorials, ask me or the teacher about how Godot works, and oh, I don't understand this part of the tutorial. You know what I mean. And right now we're in the days between the end of the other days, but we're still before the next semester, which begins right after the game jam. So we have like 2 weeks of nothing before the game jam, and in which we don't have school too. So everyone has plenty of time to practice, right? And so in the channel we created on Discord, I only see one of the first year actually learning. I mean, what I mean by that is I only see one like asking, he called me and everything, and the other ones just zero return on anything. They're not even talking about which tutorial they're following, or they don't have any question. So my best guess is they don't practice. And the game jam is Wednesday in 5 days. Let's say 4 days, right? So in my head, I'm gonna arrive there. It's gonna be me, a first year that knows like okay how to do something stuff in Godot. One first year that is gonna do textures for us, and then 3 dead weights. That's how I see it. So I think that what I'm gonna say, I'm just gonna say to the 3 dead weights to just make as like a sub team and learn while, like, I'm gonna give them a task, one task, and then just do it all together and do it right. Check yourselves between, and they don't. The first year in at my school don't even learn. I mean, I didn't learn when I was first year, but we don't learn Git. Like, so now I'm gonna have to, in the 40 hours, I'm gonna have to make them learn Git so we don't screw up the whole project, right? So this is a thing. Um, yeah. So that's why I'm worried. Joel Fizzbuzz. Joel indeed. Did you see that? That's a new thing I did. So the water has always been here, right? Behind me. And but now it just goes away after 30 seconds. So it's not just there. But yeah, hello, Fizzbuzz. How are you doing? I was showing off this very little project I did uh like for the game jam I'm doing next week. But yeah. So yeah, it's just that before I had this blue bar always on the screen, and it's kind of ugly if it doesn't move. It's just a blue transparent bar. So I just now I make it disappear. But yeah, Fizzbuzz. Now since this stream, it's now the stream is now officially all in Godot. Like look at this. Hold on, let me open it. Open the project so I can show you. Oh, Godot 4.2.2 and face tracker. Okay. Um, there we go. And now look at this. The streamception. Woo! And yeah, so I'm using something called Spout, which Crazy Kitty showed me, so I can like have a video output of OBS inside Godot, and then OBS captures Godot. It's kind of, yeah, that's it's trippy. If I go behind, it's even trippier. Like look at this. It's it's it does like V shapes or something. It's trippy. But yeah, so everything is in Godot. The chat was the most the worst part because of BB code being a mess. Wait, hold on. I want to test something. Let's go BB code Godot. If we do what is it? Bold. Let's try bold. Hello? Is it bold? I can see it. Is it bold? It is. I think it's bold. So BB code is now available in in the chat. Wait. What can I do with this? Can we do right? Right and right. That's funny. Wait, okay, image. No, that won't work because it's not okay. What can I do with this? Oh yeah. The classic font size. I the classic. Oh my god, it's so big. Oh, but yeah. Oh. Wait, I want to try something. Can I do font size and then let's say uh 100, and then if I do an emoji. Okay. It kind of fucks it up, but it doesn't change the font size. Wait. Wait, is there a miss? What's going on? What is this? Okay, okay. It's kind you can kind of fuck my thing up. But oh, you can also do tables. Tables is pretty cool. You can do Excel sheet in my chat if you want. Excel, and then you have those just yeah, the effects. The pulse, wave, shake, rainbow, taste the rainbow. Yeah, so chat is now in BB code, which is pretty nice, pretty nice. Yeah, we earlier we cleaned a bit the the script used to get events from Twitch. So now it's smaller. We get less crowded the script. And also the cool thing I did is this script to it. So what you're seeing right now is a script that moves screen the sources inside OBS. It's not a window capture, which is pretty cool too. We fixed that earlier too. And it changes the focus too. So if I open the web, it just goes on the top, and then I can move it, and just like that, boom, and then I boom, boom, yeah. So maybe I was at the point where I didn't know what to do. So I think I'm gonna close this guy and we're gonna work on this guy. So right, we have movement, but we can also move an infinite amount, which is not desirable for a turn-based game, right? Um, so how do we? So firstly, right, kind of simple. We're gonna remove this guy. So it's gonna tell me where it's okay. Unendal or deer, yeah. So just remove this guy, and then move is not here used anymore. I think. Yeah. Okay. So if I just do that, I can't move with the arrows, but I can move with the click. Okay. Uh. uh. Oh, conk offline. Okay. Just move that here. So we have to do some kind of script that is to the world level, and it's gonna uh hmm. So we're gonna create a node. It's gonna be what do we call the name of the system which takes care of turns? Turn system would be too easy because or not the right name because it could be like the verb to turn system. Um, a turn-based game. Can you just call it a turn system? I, I I can't call it wave because it's not a wave, but it is a turn. So it's just gonna be turn system. I don't care. Okay, create script. I'm gonna put that in the script code script. There we go. So what do we do? Um. Okay, we're gonna have a node, 2D node called not entities. It's not a mob either. It's what is it? It's not it. What is it? What is it? Entity. It's not an entity because an entity could be also like a chest. A chest is an entity. Um, it's not a player. I mean, it's gonna contain players, but it's not gonna be only players. It's gonna be mobs too. Um, let it go. Let it die. And its face in my which entity mobs what's the name for that? An entity that is m- that moves like that is alive but is not only a player, can only also be a mob. It's what is it? What is it? It's a character. We can just rename it later. So, we're gonna export var characters home. It's a node 2D. Yeah. Okay. So we go here, we assign, and it's characters. We move player inside it, and does it still work? It doesn't. I knew it. Okay. Um. da, 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 da. Okay. Player. Can I export var world? And it's a node 2D. Yes, I can. Haha. Here we go. I think that's it. Yeah. Okay. So turn-based system. Um. Hmm. Just ready, I think. Wait, it's found ready. Yeah. Okay. When it's ready, you do okay. So each character is gonna have okay. Yeah, we're gonna try to compose stuff. J'allais play mon casque de l'hiver, ta mère. J'allais play mon casque de l'hiver, de ta mère. Je suis poli, ton poing qui s'écroule. J'allais play mon casque de l'arrière. Okay, we're gonna create node. It has j'allais play mon casque. Da, 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 da. Okay, so we're gonna create a class named stats. It's just gonna have all the stats. So var so let's say initiative. It's an int or a float. We're not gonna we just export, I guess. So hmm. À la fin. Yeah. J'en ai plein mon casque. Okay, let's just find all the variables for now. Initiative, movement per turn. It's in var, okay. Go down, nuit. What are other, like, I don't want to do, like, defense, attack, or agility, because defense is going to be declared by, it's just going to be 0. But how do we, uh, eh, how do we, what is going to be the system, right? So each character is going to have a stats, right? Stats node. Can he play Mocat? Right? So everyone's going to have stats, but everyone's also going to have armor and weapons, like currently equipped weapon. Um, can we, thank you. Okay. So everyone's going to have weapons and equipment, right? And an inventory. No. Do we? Da, da, da. Because, okay. How do we take care of all of this? Right? So if we can't put it in the player script, right? Because we want it to be reusable. So maybe we do inventory node. Right? So we're gonna have inventory or like stats. Stats is gonna contain initiative. Right? It's gonna contain movement per turn. But is it gonna contain also the movement remaining in the turn? So I don't. So and also, oh wait. So maybe we could call it base movement, right? And then we have not bonus movement because okay. Hmm. And also do what? Okay, let's say I have two like armor in my inventory. It do is okay in the same script as inventory. Do I put what I'm equipped with right now, or do I make a separate script for it? All right. I think I'm gonna do separate because some enemies are not gonna have inventory, right? But they're still gonna have equipped stuff. So, gonna create two new node inventory and node inventory and equipped equipment equipment code script. Here we go. Okay. Um There we go. Okay. Um. So. So if inventory and stats are not the same thing, I mean, if inventory and equipment is not the same thing, then is stats and current stats, like current status, different? Right? I'm lost. I'm thinking about like Baldur's Gate right now. Right? So in it's in a Dungeon and Dragon context, right? So um each character and enemies has like strength, agility, stuff like that. Then they have resistance, right? And they have abilities like like we could say luck, like luck is a feat, but it's like it's in the same list as all the other things. But so a character can and have also statuses like on fire, right? So how do we account that in here? How do we take care of that? Dun, 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 dun. Dun, 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 dun. Dun, 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 dun. Dun, 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 dun. Yeah. I'm sh- I just don't know how I would do that. Um, hmm. So inventory is gonna have uh da, 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 da. Equipment, inventory, and stats. Inventory is gonna have all potions, weapons and armors and stuff, money, right? And equipment is gonna have equipped stuff like the weapon in first hand, weapon in second hand, and then it's gonna have helmet, armor, pants, boots, stuff, right? Um, hmm. Which is this until this point is pretty simple. But then, okay, if my equipment has a bonus to my resistance to fire, where, like, how does this work? I have a base resistance to fire in here, let's say. Right. So let's say I have bar fire resistance and int, right? So let's say it's equal to 4, right? So let's say I am on fire, and this type of fire inflicts me 6 damage per turn, right? So, da, 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 da. Fire, yeah, each turn. So so 6 damage each turn, and I have fire resistance of 4. So it only makes 2 damage per turn to me. But let's say I have, so the right? How do I make damage? Oh, that's the thing to health. Var max health. Right, this is int 2. Right? So so how am I gonna do that? So okay, I have current health. Where's current health stored? It's also gonna be here. Var current health. It's an int. Right? And then var remaining movement. So we have to somewhere, like in the player, I guess, have a function. Um, hmm. Hello, Prozipod. Hello, welcome. Hello, hi, hello. Yeah, I was having a good day. I'm still having a good day. Figure it out. Anyway, yeah, hello. Welcome to my broadcast. Yeah, okay. Look at this. So, firstly, as you can see, BB code is now enabled since chat is in Goda. Well, let me open the thing. Um. Oh, and also, I like. I mean, I showed you, but um, the thing is working, right? Oh, I had a bug earlier on this thing on the window manager, and it was the dumbest thing. Uh, hold on, can I show you? I think I closed it. Hold on, give me 2 seconds. Stream tools, other. There we go. This guy, all right? So it's kind of complicated, but I changed the like the ID, the HWND of when the window I track when the OBS window name or or executable change, right? But the name, so I was, and okay, so it worked. The thing worked with every window, but not with VS Code. And I was like, why? And I I spent like half an hour on that, and then I finally noticed when I get the name of the window from OBS, when I have a colon, it gives me what I think is the hexadecimal value of said colon. And so I was to get the position of the window, I was getting it through the name, which wasn't correct because it was giving me the colon as a hexadecimal. And so I just replaced the value to the colon, and now it works. Magic, magic. So yeah, that's what happened with this thing. So yeah, we have Streamception. What? Stream inside stream. Woo! Yeah. Hi. Hello. Hi. Now I don't know if you noticed, but Joel Pool. What do you have registered on the Windows Zone? What do you mean by that? What do you have registered? Registered. Registered. Yeah, the window tracking thing. I mean, this I keep a dictionary. Oh, yeah. Okay. I can explain. So I have in OBS, right? I have a scene called Spout, right? Inside it, I have all my window captures. So for Goda, web page, terminal stuff. And so when I connect, right, I interact with OBS thing. I get all the items in the scene, and I just create OBS element name and OBS item ID, right? So I keep that, and then I just go to update Windows again. So when I update Windows, I go through each of the windows in the OBS scene, and so I go get the window, so the name of the window. So it gives me the executable and the name of the window, right, from that. I checked if the name changed, right here. If it changed, I'm gonna find the new HWND for the window, or else I just get it. And then I get the position of window. And I just move it. So the filter is OBS, basically. My filter is OBS. I looked at your thing and I saw you have like a list. No. No, it's for all the windows that are in the scene spout. So look, there's this window, this window, this window, right? Hi, Crazy Kitty. It didn't work. I'm sorry. I have no pictures, I think, saved. Oh, maybe I have. Yes. Oh, wait. So if you do, where is it? It's Joel is somewhere. Yes, it gets all the windows. Wait, no, that's not the one. It's the one. No, it's not. No, it's not far. Okay, so okay. Wait. Can I share? Yeah, it doesn't show the Godot logo. It's not in the root. It's not display. Wait. Okay. Hold on. Give me 2 seconds. Can I not window capture OBS? Can I not show OBS? Damn. Okay, I have a plan. It's gonna take a bit longer. Um, there we go. And then I go pictures, screenshot. I go with this one, and I open with can I get Pat? Copy as Pat, and then I go here. A. Why is it in a stream? There we go. Okay. So this is OBS, right? So these are all window captures, right? And so the scene, you are currently seeing this scene, right? And in this scene, I have this scene. Okay. So I'm getting all those, the name of all those. Then I get the source of all those window capture, right? And from that name, the source, I get the position of that window, and then I move this item in OBS accordingly to the position. I don't know if you get it. It's window capture. See, got set when I get new position, call request set scene item transform. Then I I get this the scene item ID, so I move this ID, and then I give the new position. Yeah. See, wait, where is it? There we go. Yeah, Crazy Kitty. It's where is it? It's in resources. Yeah. So what it's IMG. Uh. What is it? Sor. No, it's resources. God. And then it's Joel. No. No, I don't know how to write. Look at this. Look. It's resources. Yet there's no R. There's no R. Wait. If I do image and then I do resources and I do taskbar, let's say IMG like this. It's just a real bar. But it still cannot be. Can it be bigger? If I do, okay, let's just copy at this point, and I do. What is it? Be right back. .png. So the height can be the right one, but not the width. The width is limited. It's just a big be right back. But yeah, anyway. So what did I change aside from this? Yeah, Joel. Water goes up when you say Joel, and then it waits 30 seconds. If nobody said Joel, it's gonna go back down. Just to not be in the way, right? So that's that I changed. I changed the bottom bar. Now it's not just like some my man just putting the, the, the texture for my head, the whole thing in the chat. Yeah, why not? Why not? I wonder. Wait, so what can you put in the image tag? Like, is there a limit? Like, okay, it has to be a texture 2D. So it can be a viewport. Wait. This could be cool because I could put a uh I don't know if it's possible just by writing, but you could if oh you could put it at the spout inside the chat. The, the spout inside the chat. I think you could do that. But I would need to have so can I do that? So in order to be between in the text, right? Image, but you can't just say like spout texture like that. Like it just doesn't work. So I would have to have a in here. I'd have to let's say scene. I add a new scene. Hmm. Are you? Let's say scene, and then it's a spout viewport. No, it crashed. That's nice. Why did it crash? Meteor happened on the thing. Hello? Meteor happened. Wait. Okay. Here we go. It's back. It's back. Okay. Meteor happened. Yeah. Uh, so what is this? This is a. It's a what is it? Spout texture. Yeah. Okay. So if I do new resource spout texture, new spout texture. Okay. And then what is it? In this one, it's OBS window. Windows, OBS, yes, Windows. Okay. So, okay. Do you think this would work? Okay, let's try it out. Um, okay. We're gonna export Windows. Okay. Give me 2 seconds. We're gonna restart. I'm back. Okay. So if we do image, uh, scenes, new spout texture dot rest. It worked. Oh, that's perfect. Oh my god, that's perfect. This is so cool. Oh, it's so mind-fucking too at the same time. Yes, yes, it works. Oh, that's crazy. Who would have thought that you would do that? Wait, I'm sure there's something crazy to do with this. You can put... Yeah. Oh, wait, what are the parameters for image? What the hell? What the hell is that? Wait, so if I go image, no? Yeah, image. You can put the width, right? What is options? Yeah, it doesn't work because it's not text. Pride. Um, image options. Oh, you can tint. You can put a tint on it. I don't know how this works. So if we say image this thing. So image and then we said just options. So if we do color how does it work? It's equal and then it's hex format. So if we say ff, no. How does the image option work? Like, is it in like color, like this? Oh no, the image, if you wanna the size, it's chat message. It's how is it? I know I did it somewhere. Unload finish. No, where is it? Huh. I'm sure I did it. Add image. Yeah, it's okay. It's with the add image function. But I don't know how we do this. Like it's the same thing for height, width, image. For the yeah the hmm. I don't know if align. I don't know options. I don't. I maybe it just doesn't work since it's a spout. Maybe it just doesn't support it. Maybe, just maybe. It's not like very explicit on how you should like put it. Oh, maybe it's like that, right? Uh, image. Equal this color. Did that work? Oh, you got it. But wait, why didn't it work before? What did you change? Oh, prod it worked, but Crazy Kitty didn't work. He tried that before. Maybe I don't know. No, it says it's a color name. Oh, yeah, color name. I didn't see. Huh. I don't know. Um, image color. BB code. Go go that. No. BB code. How do I? No, I know how. Oh, you got it. Did you use a space? Okay, just color is equal red. Okay. Yellow pissed. Let's go. So you got my zone here, and then you got the Yellowberry zone on the top, right? We got two zones at the same time. I think I changed something else. I can't remember. Yeah, chat is in Godot now. I changed the bottom bar. TV. I don't know if you noticed, but the movement of the TV is now smooth. It's like at least it's smoother than it was before. The mouth is in two parts now. It goes up and down. Um, yeah. What happened is okay. So right, the script. Let's go here. So it's in Cam Mangola, right? So this script before I had the delay on sending packages like with the my face because it was just blocky. I looked like a crackhead, just shaking, shaking because there's like some uncertainty. So I had a delay, right? Then I went to Godot and here. Um In rigid body 3D, I update TV. Yeah. So here, what I did is, what did I do? It's, here, process, right? I lerp to the position of the new packet. So instead of being like, bam, new position, like it was blocky. Well, now I just go smoothly. Yeah, exactly. I'm like the new RTX cards. I am using DLSS on my movement. And so after that, it still looked weird, and then I was like, oh, why is it still looking weird? And then I went back to the script, and I was like, oh, there's a delay to the thing, and that's why. And now it's smooth, smooth. Um, that's how. The would DLSS up if my character isn't like stuff to everything. Yeah, I mean DLSS the like if frame 2 and frame 3 are totally different. Like in frame 2 you're looking left and frame 3 you're looking right. Well, even if you have DLSS, it won't just miraculously put frames between them. I mean, at least that. Hello, Prod. Hello, Controlo. Welcome to the broadcast. The updated broadcast, right? This updates were made. Look at this. Where is it? Uh, yeah, there it is. Thank you, Prod. This is live Twitch Yellowberry. We got the capture the stream in the chat. It's pretty crazy. Yeah, but even if DLSS, I think you need some kind of like official like certification or engine or something. Like it's not every game that has DLSS. Like I don't know how you probably have to like interact with CUDA or something. Although that could be cool. Like learning CUDA to accelerate Gizmo. Yes, it does, Brad. In the with the text, yes, it has. No, you can't. You can put URL. I think that there's something URL uh something like or maybe not. Yeah, it just makes it clickable, yeah. Scene embedding via Twitch chat. Yeah, I mean, hey, if you could put any URL in my chat, it would be kind of scary. Like very, very scary. What happened to your message there? I just can't see it. Yeah, it doesn't even look like a URL in the thing. But yeah, it could be very dangerous if you could just put any image. I could make that a feature. Like I could do something where you do like image and then you give me a link that come and then I just put that as a link as an image, load it as an image in my script. Here, chat message. It's dangerous. Feels that I like you can do like download Emote. I mean that's what I'm doing. Like you can put any emote and it just downloads it. I if yeah, it's the same way. Like I could just say yeah, if you do image exclamation image and then the link, it would make an image. Like in here, I would go through the message. No, I it would be an event. Maybe an event would be easier. Right? Wait, that really does like look like Jake. What the hell? Just Google logo. What the hell? What is this? Imagine you can hook it up so that people can just send you images and you can render it on screen with a button. Ah. Hmm. Hmm. Well, I don't know. Because like in your case, that works, right? Because your interface, like the stream interface, you see it in your face. Like when there's Joel's on the screen, it's actually like in front of your window. But in my case, I don't see it. It's on another desktop completely. I mean, if you really want to, it can, yeah, it's just a URL, right? But even if you did, like, I could do that. It would be kind of easy, even. Jake was on see that he flew. Jake the Crazy Man. Can we? Yeah, yes, we can. Shout out. Uh, Jake creates stuff. Shout out to Jake creates stuff. Go watch his stuff. He's very. We could call him Jake creates scuff, which is very funny. Go watch the funny and popular man. You can be added to his collection of friends, which is over 1 million people. No, redeem in Jake's channel where he comes to your house and rolls over you with a with a bike. It's a really no, even better. You have a redeem where you go to Jake's house and you roll on him with a bike. That's even better. It makes good content, right? But yeah, I even like in your case, it would be kind of cool if like when you send a link that is an image to your chat, it kind of like makes a query. If yeah, you make a query to the URL and then you check the content type. If it's image, you add it to a queue, which is in a separate like window that we can't see, and then you can just say click on like show or something. Or even simpler, it could be on the screen, like a exclamation like this. screen. On screen. It could be on screen. And just yeah. Yeah, but crazy it couldn't be yeah, on screen. That's so powerful. Yeah. But it wouldn't Venom screen real. Yeah, when is Venom screen real? I don't know. I don't I mean, in my case, it wouldn't impact my life as much as you. But yeah, it would be like some kind of queue because you couldn't just have anybody just put images, any images on the screen. It would be bannable pretty quick if you know. But yeah, it adds it like to a queue, and maybe I don't know if you have mods, but maybe like mods could have like access to the queue. I don't know. I don't know. Um, but yes, indeed, a screen image color blue with 4080 screen scenes new spot texture. Yes, this is an insight because only the people here are gonna know about it. Next stream, nobody's gonna remember. I think that was also my reasoning behind not doing it. Yeah, I mean, anybody just passing by, oh, we can put images. Oh, let me just go on internet, find the fastest, like, an image of Dick and just put it on the stream. It's just bad. It's post era is focused on doing things that we were putting off. Did you have like that many things you put off? I don't feel like slur filter. Do we need that? Honestly, slur is a good thing. It relieves the soul, the soul. It's my in my opinion. Oh, you mean a slur filter on the chat? Guys, geyser. Yeah, of course. We should make a slur filter only for geyser. It doesn't it doesn't affect anyone except geyser. Hold on. Even so, in the case of geyser, each time he sends a message, you make a request to like ChatGPT. Can you make this message friendly to everybody or something like that? You make a friendly filter on geysers messages. It could be kind of cool. You replace every bad message. Like, can you make this message cute and miss a message? Yes, yes, yes. Yeah, yeah. Sorry, guys. Sorry, it's a joke, but I'm still gonna do it. Do it. Do it. It's like the no, not this guy. Do it. Do it. Yeah, an extra breathable. Exactly. No. Made this message so submissive, it would be a fanboy that wrote it. You're removing GPT? Is your conflicting morals with AI as a whole or with like big companies like that controls AI? I'm curious. Like, do you just don't want AIs at all, or what's going on? Yeah, it's fine. I just don't like the commercial ones. Isn't Llama like open source? Yeah, it's open source. Ah, but it's owned by oh yeah. Yeah, Llama is open source, but it's also owned by Meta. Joel indeed. Joel indeed. Joel. Joel. Yes. Um but yeah, maybe it could be I don't know if yeah, it's free but still it's owned by Meta, so I don't know. Have you yeah, have you seen this? Show him. Show it. Show it. It's Yellowberry broadcast in chat. Look at this. Good evening, gamer. Hello, Kinksy Unplugged. I've seen you before. Hello, Kinksy. Whoa. Yeah, there's a Yellowberry broadcast inside inside the chat, which is pretty cool. Yeah, the whole chat is BB code enabled now. Right now, working on absolutely nothing. It's a just chatting experience. We were displaying changes that were made to Gizmo in the holidays, right? So we now have window manager. This is not screen capture. This is screen capture. No, this is not screen capture. This is window capture, but immensely better. Um, now everything is in Godot. Joel thing disappears when you don't say Joel. Yeah, yeah, I get it, Crud. I'm entirely like on the same idea. It's like AI trained on Reddit and Twitter, the everything website that is. Oh, and also was it the Adobe suite that was doing that? Twitter, the everything website. I mean that's what you people call it, right? But yeah, I think Adobe does that too. Yeah, it's kind of not cool to do that. Um, yeah, I get it. But I mean, that's why you shouldn't pay for AI. That's my thing. Like, if you train on my data, I should be able to have the AI free. All right, at least. So something like ChatGPT, which is you need to pay to have a certain number of tokens or something. Yeah, look, will you buy the Nvidia new AI unit or something? Local models. So I'll start incorporating AI gizmo. Yeah, if you're the one hosting it, that's the best thing, honestly. It's very possible too. Yeah, once you have more space, right? We always what the hell? Always need space. By data gathering, would you like register everything that is said in Discord? Is that what it's called? The Grace Blackwell? The Grace? Oh yeah, it is. It's Grace. Okay. I mean, I should train on myself if I wanted to make a clone of myself. True, true that. Okay, so it would be only. Okay, so you're talking about the prod clone. Yes. But would you also track everybody else's message? That's what I'm asking because you're the one like that's not that's against people like corporation scraping. Yeah, not well. Okay, so you would like maybe you could like just post some kind of alert on Discord, just saying, "Oh, from now on, AI is scanning yours. I'm cloning you actively." Control is jamming with the music. Yeah, it's what is it? Oh yeah, Joe Arroyo. That's a good one. Wait, let me put another music. Let me queue up another music after of this guy. It's pretty good. But yeah, I mean, personally, Prod, at this point, I don't even care. Like, I know companies are scanning for like uh, uh for ads. I know they're scanning what I'm saying, whatever. I mean, what can I do against it at this point? I can't just say, oh, I don't want to. It just does it. If anything, will be if you want your thing AI clone, you must agree to getting your data scraped. Your data will only be used for this purpose and will not be sold to third parties. Please me beta you let me challenge. Yeah. I mean, I would ask you to get cloned. That's a great thing. It's like cloning cloning, but better in every point because it's actual cloning, right? So what are the specs? Can we get specs? Like is it like a whole ass computer or is it Grace Blackwell on every desk? Is it like a whole like does it have a CPU and RAM or is it only a GPU? Like a desk GPU kind of thing? I would agree if someone gave me this EULA, and I don't think they would scam me out of EULA by changing it midway, and then bleeding my money into actual starvation. Yeah, TPU. Um, I don't know. It's not a language processing unit. CPU. What is it? CPU processor. Tensor process. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. So it's probably a tensor processing unit. No. NPU. What is NPU? Uh, what is it? What is NPU? What is it? Neural processing unit. So what's the difference between tensor and neural? Because isn't AI doesn't AI use tensors and processing unit on a larger site design specific isolating. Okay, I see. Piss you. I've got even better. Uwu. When are we making the uwu? Who's making the uwu? Whoop whoop, that's even better. Whoop processing unit. That's whoop processing unit. Geyser processing unit. Yeah, definitely, Brad. It's, local model would be cool because you can change the parameters and stuff yourself. You can train on the data you want. Um, and you wouldn't have to pay. I don't know. I don't know if you're using GPT now, but you wouldn't have to pay GPT too. Instead of this corporate model, you just have saying "tee-hoo" on any question that's based. It's some kind of processor that any input you give, it finds a way to transform it into ubu, which is dumb because there's absolutely one, like only one thing it's saying ubu. No, the ubu processing unit, like it has a microphone and like a text input, and it just detects when someone says ubu, like in very large files. I don't know. It's kind of dumb. The guy, what would the Geyser processing unit do? Geyser processing unit would turn every like sentence into a slur. I don't know. That kind of thing. Um, but yeah, Prods, but hosting your own thing, it's always better to host your own thing. Like soon, I'm thinking about running a Plex server on my server. All right, server like this. The old laptop, right? And I'm not sure about doing it or not, but it would be kind of cool. I recommend your this for running local. What is this? Let's look at it. It's Llama, mostly for Vulkan support if you're going with mid-range GPU for the dedicated local clone. What is this? Interface. That's cool. Okay, the main is to enable LLM interface with minimal setup and state-of-the-art performance. Oh, do you even have like UIs and stuff? Models? Ooh, that's cool. Very cool. But I thought, do you really need an interface? Like, is it some kind of okay? So it's but okay. So when you're running an AI locally, isn't it like already a CLI? That's what I thought. Okay, but you can run it on a server. That's cool. Okay, that's very cool. And then I guess welcome back, King C Unplugged. There's both a CLI and a server. Yeah, but okay. Is it like an HTTP server or is it like WebSocket? Okay, HTTP server. Oh, that's cool. Okay, and do you have okay chat completion endpoint? It's oh, there's a web UI. Woo! That's very cool. Thank you for this. This is where is this thing? Okay, there we go. Hmm. Hmm. What's on your mind, Brett? Hmm. What's going on? Oh, Oh yeah, also I made that last stream. Now the thing is on a animation tree. So before I had to, if you see here, before I had to go like, oh, I need to go to Zoom and then after do starting and stuff. But now I can just say, is this frozen? Now I can just say go to starting, right? And it's gonna go to near, and then it's gonna just chain the animations. If I go to be right back, it's gonna unzoom, and then it's gonna resume. It's pretty cool. It's pretty nifty, as some could say. It is cool, but are you talking about? You're talking about yeah. The hard part would be make the ball. The zoom is nice. Yeah, I mean the zoom thing has always been there, like I said. But before I was only using animation player, right? Which is kind of ass by itself, unless you're using a state machine, right? Um, so I went with using. It's really simple to configure too. You just make arrows in the direction you want, and then you say, do you want to wait for the end of the previous animation or do it immediately? And then you say, do you want it to be automatic, enabled, or disabled? And then you can just use, I think it's travel. Yeah, it's pretty simple. But yeah, I'm going to. Oh, I don't know if I told you guys. I'm going on a game jam next week, Wednesday. It's a 40-hour game jam, and I'm going with I'm going with my school, and we're a team of 6. And I'm kind of worried because I'm the only one in third year in the team. Everybody else is a first year. So I don't know what's gonna come out of this, but I'll definitely keep you guys updated on prod zone. Uh, so yeah, it's when it begins Wednesday, like end of the day, like 5 in the afternoon kind of thing. And so we have 40 hours, so it's yeah, Wednesday, then Thursday the whole day, and it's Friday until 10, I think. So I'm gonna drink coffee and try to stay alive, right? And oh, okay, something happened. Yeah, so I made this to practice a bit. It's gonna be turn based, but I was before y'all came in, I was trying to figure out how I'm gonna organize all of this. But yeah, it's pretty cool. Um, I think it's time. I think it is time for us to leave our each other. So we're gonna find someone to raid. Does someone have a suggestion? We always try to raid someone new, or we haven't raided. Preferably in the programming and game making category, right? Let's try to find someone. Cyphelinus is live. Have you rated them? Yes. I think last time. Or the one before. Yeah, who's online in the green? There's Exodigital, Sergeant Pepper. Who's this? Sergeant Pepper. Oh. S90 Pepper. What is this profile picture? Yeah. Is this one of your Oshis, Prod? I didn't see. I don't think I saw them on your suggestion list. Is this one of the Oshis? Oh god, there's so many people in the Oh yeah, he's there. Okay. Well, let's go, I guess. Okay. Where is it? 14 which and then where is it? It's create raid. So S9 T Pepper. There we go. Hell yeah. Okay. We're gonna leave ourselves, people. Thank you for everyone who came and messaged. Thank you for the follow, Kinksy Unplugged in. I'm Geyser. Oh, that was 3 days ago. Okay. Um yeah, we didn't do much, but we talked about a lot for the classic broadcast. But yeah, thank you for everything. Uh, thank you for your time with me. And we're gonna raid S9 Pepper, which is also called Sergeant Pepper. Thank you, Prod, for Twitch Yellowberry HN broadcast live. Um, as I said earlier, I don't know if I will stream next Friday because of Game Jam, but depends on if I'm awake or not. I'd say. Yeah. Um, we're gonna raid with Joel because I am the Joel guy after all. Joel. And yeah, have a good night and